Today I want to talk about robo vacuums or smart vacuums. I mainly use two in my home by two different brands. My favorite, iRobot, it would be the Roomba 990, which I use on pretty much the main front area of my house. It pretty much gets the job done from the living rooms to the hallways to the kitchen to my dining room area. I do have a sunken family room, so for the family room itself, I use a different brand, and that is by LG. I'm using the LG HomeBot, and not to say all smart vacuums are alike, because they're quite different, and not all smart vacuums are actually smart. And I hate to say that the LG one isn't the brightest tool in the shed, but it does have its quirks. Let me be clear. It definitely gets the floor done. It does it a nice cell by cell. It covers up the whole floor. But its brightest moments doesn't come when it returns to its home base. And you can see why in this clip I decided I want to show. Just so you know, not always having a smart device in your house means that it makes your home smarter. So, LG HomeBot. So what should really be happening here should be really easy and straightforward. It connects with the home base and it kind of stops there and starts charging. As you can see here, the LG HomeBot seems to have a problem locating home. It finds it sure enough, makes its approach, and you think it will stop right here. Nope. It tries to attack the home base or climb above it. Then it just gets stuck. It tries again. Then it gets kind of chaotic and starts going all over the place. Now, unlike the Roomba 880 I have, which finds its home base perfectly and flawlessly every time, the LG HomeBot seems like when it travels away from home, it has a tough time finding it again. I'm not really sure why that is, but after watching this for about a minute or so, you can clearly see that the LG HomeBot just does have a problem connecting and staying home. It seems to love to climb over it versus actually docking with it. As you can see there, since I let that whole charade play out, it can do some regular vacuum, no problem. But when it's time to go home, this is when it has some issues. For every 10 approaches, I think maybe 2, it got right on the pad and stayed there. Any other time, it looked like it didn't really know what home was and just attacked the little shaped thing that was in front of it. It was at first kind of funny to watch, but then as I let it vacuum the house, or just the family room I should say, that became quite annoying because every so often would hear it attacking the home base instead of just gliding onto it and docking. It seemed like it couldn't determine what home base was and just kept trying to climb over it. But what good is a smart vacuum if it can't seem to find home? Anyway, Jason Anderson, urConnectedFamily. See you next time.